Hey guys, so today is finally the day we're gonna be installing the M2 front lip on the booger car. So this is the F30 328 guys, and we put the M2 competition front bumper. If you guys can see, the fitment on it is pretty well. I mean, since I do have a carbon hood, there's a small little gap here and here, but honestly the bumper fits really well and looks really good on the car. Alright, so we're gonna jack up the car right now. We got bricks. We're gonna place some bricks behind the tire here, only because I don't have a professional setup. This is something I'm literally doing at home. Let's make sure the brick is there so the car doesn't roll back. But yeah, I'm on a little steep hill here, but yeah, some DIY stuff going on. And second brick check. All right, now we're gonna jack the car up. Now that the car is fully jacked up, we're gonna go ahead and place some 3M tape all along the side here, just so we get a flush fitment and it gets stuck onto the bumper. And then we're gonna place some self-tapping screws in the holes. So we're placing the lip onto the bumper now with the 3M tape, just so it holds on. Now we're gonna drill in the middle portion first, just so it sticks on, and then we can balance and see. So one drill in. Now we're gonna jack up the other side, only because we only have one jack. So all you guys are doing it at home and don't have the right tools necessary, it takes a little more time, but you just swap it from left to right. Now we're doing the other side of the bumper, making sure it's all secure and tight. So all the screws are all along there and holding onto this. It's not going anywhere. It's secure with the bumper. It's all one piece now. Shout out to my dad. What do you have to say about the lip?
It looks beautiful.
And this is the final product, guys. M2 bumper lip install. Look how nice and aggressive it looks, guys. The car honestly looks a lot lower and it's crazy. It just looks more put together. It's like a ribbon. What do you guys think? Honestly, it matches the carbon hood, the forged carbon mirror caps. Like, it all just flows together with the lip. Beautiful. How do you think the lip came out?
Came out really good, actually. I'm surprised. It's very nice.
It looks a lot more aggressive. Booger car is looking sharp. Extra boogery with the sun. The whole side profile looks very aggressive. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. If you guys want to see me install any other parts on any of my cars, the booger car or the E30, let me know. I still have a lot of things to install for you guys for both cars, but I'm gonna start doing more install video. All right, everybody, we made it to Lower Grand, the GTA spot. We're gonna be doing a quick little photo shoot. Look at the car, guys. Holy. We're gonna be meeting up with Aiden later. We're gonna do a photo shoot promoting our car meet that's happening this Friday. But look at the car, guys. Holy. It looks like it's enchanted or something. But yeah, we're gonna take some photos. I'll take you guys along to see like how it is, how I do my photo shoots and everything. But honestly, look at this place. It literally looks like GTA. Steering wheel still looking good, holding strong, you know. So a lot of you guys asked what camera I use, and this is my camera I use to post all my Instagram photos. This is a Canon Rebel T100. Here's how it looks. Get like a closer little edit of it, but yeah, it's a Canon Rebel T100, literally stock, no modifications to it, very cheap, versatile camera. And I put a little vintage filter on over here on the front, and it gives it like a different aesthetic every time I take photos. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at WixBMW to see the photos I take. I mean, I'm no pro photographer, but it's a good camera, better than iPhone quality, I feel like. So this is how it would look before editing. And then the lighting down here is honestly like insane. One of my favorite lightings out here in LA. This place You've probably seen a lot of people post down here, but I just love everything about being down. Snatched a couple photos for the Instagram and TikTok, made a few videos, and now we're gonna go meet up with Aiden. He should be here at the second meetup spot. So, perfect start. Let's get it, guys. And wait, put this down and let's go. Woo-wee. All right, we met up with Aiden, Wumbo man.
One forward, one backward?
We could try that, yeah.
I'll go back.
Okay, so this is our view with the LA background. The cars are glowing. It's peak sunlight right now, but literally, this doesn't look crazy. Listen to his exhaust. Sounds like an LS or something. But we're setting up, getting like as close as we can to each other. See if he can even get out. Can you even fit? He has to cut down on the donuts or something. We got Aiden getting all them angles right now. Look at him walking backwards and everything.
Imagine I just move shit.
He trips on like a rock. But honestly,
this isn't too bad.
looks pretty
I
cool.
thought it'd be worse. Oh, this van might have a hard time.
I actually like this. So we're doing a little illusion here.
What's the illusion?
I don't know what the illusion is. But my car is further back and his is forward. Dude, but it looks cool. It just gives it like a different like feel to it.
Gives the illusion that one's small.
If you guys ever have a fire, call up Wumbo man. All right, we're back with the illusion.
Would you like me to move this debris?
Yeah, please. Why'd you grab it like that?
I don't know. Watch out.
Oh, I'm blocking the road. What is going on right
There's
now?
so much debris in the road.
It really is, dude. It's like windy. Now we're going on this side. We're gonna get the illusion that Aiden's car is smaller and he's hyped.
Wait, what?
Look at this illusion. My car looks lower now.
Look at this illusion.
All right, we got the debris man over here.
Oh, this? Yeah.
There's still a piece. He kicks my car, dude. I just zoom into it. This is the front angle, guys. We like full on block the road. Look at this NPC right now. This hazards on. Another angle, guys. So photo shoots usually consist of us doing a lot of different angles. And he turned on. What, it started raining or what? All right, so we are off to the second location now. We're gonna be going to the Walt Disney Hall. It's a cool looking building. We'll show you guys right now, but photo shoot completed. We got our videos and everything done. And honestly, this view, I can't stop looking at it. Like, it's so beautiful. Homeboy broke his neck on Aiden's car. Stop playing. We made it to the final location, guys, right in front of the Disney Hall. Look at that. Look how sick the building looks. All right, we're moving our cars, making sure we get the perfect angle. The street. And I'm stepping on a hump right now. What is this? We got the whole like people right here. We're gonna hop from one hump to the other hump, and then we're gonna hop back to this hump, and boom! Bro, dude, I almost got hit like 6 times right now, just trying to get the perfect shot on my phone for the TikTok. But if you guys like the video, like and subscribe. Follow Aiden at Vizu Cars. If you guys want to see the photos, it's gonna be on my Instagram. And are you guys? Sometimes if you guys have a manual car and don't want to start it back on, literally all you can do is just push the car. There's Aiden.
If I land this cone flip, you have to like, subscribe, comment, and go to Russell's Instagram and comment on one of his photos. I hate deer.